There is no question about the fact that the most influential technology of our time, hands down, bar none, is social media. It has allowed people to connect digitally with one another, spanning thousands of miles with the ease of a cell phone. It has provided platforms where people can engage with their friends, meet new ones, and consume a wide variety of content. On top of all that, it has allowed businesses to get their name in front of their ideal client to a shocking degree. People go on social platforms for different reasons. Facebook, for example, allows a platform for people to connect with friends, family, and coworkers and see what's happening in their life. Instagram offers a similar space, but with a much more direct form of interaction. Instagram also made everybody an instant photographer with their photo filters. Twitter jots down your thoughts for the day. YouTube provides an opportunity to get video content out to the masses as the second largest search engine on the web. Each of these platforms requires profiles that are set up, which build out a large amount of demographic and interspace information. The power of social media marketing is ensuring you are always top of mind when your customers need you. You do this by providing real value. Now, I'm not talking about a bunch of videos or social posts that have a call to action like "call us today" at the end of every single one. I'm talking about authentic, genuine value to these customers, helping them solve problems. In doing this, you are proving that you have the expertise, that you value them as an individual, and that you are willing to help. And the best part is, over time, strong social media efforts can effectively reduce lead costs by driving in more people to seek your brand first, above the competition.